In this guide, we're going over how to save Snapchat videos to gallery. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up the Snapchat app and you need to tap your profile icon up in the top left and then hit the settings gear up in the top right. Scroll down on here, you're going to see a little memories tab. Go ahead and open that up. It's then going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And you need to look for this save destination option right here and change it to memories and camera roll right here. This makes it so Snapchat saves both the videos to both your memories and your phone gallery when you press save. You could also turn on autosave by going to the autosave snaps option and setting it to save memories. But from here, just go back to the camera, record a video, and after recording, tap the download or save button at the bottom, and it's going to be saved to both your Snapchat memories and your phone gallery. If you forget to save it right away, check your memories later and save it from there. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.